Hello and welcome to another episode of Borg Tries to Fix It. So we're finally getting back to the Cutlass today. We're going to be working on the vintage air system. I probably won't get it all done today, but let's go through a couple of the steps and see what's what. So I did already kind of start it a little bit, setting some stuff up, so let me just show you kind of what we've done so far. Okay, so we're in the engine bay, and we put this plate on here, and we have these, the AC hoses here, and then we have two heater hose, and I just have, cut off a little bit, and we'll deal with that getting onto the engine later. So these go down into the car, and on the other side, we have them coming out from the kick panel. There's another panel we had to put here, and then have these, and these are going to plug into the unit, which is what we're going to work on next. Okay, so upper heater hose, lower heater hose. I did mark them on the other side because this upper one has to go to the water pump and the lower one has to go to the intake manifold. Next we have the smaller of the AC hoses, which is going to go right on this here. And the biggest thing is, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little green O-ring here. That has to be lubricated. I already did that and put that on there. They have extra ones in the kit, but these were already on there. I just added some lube to it. So this has to go here. Okay, so closer look at everything. We have this one attached here, and then we have the other attached right down here. That was a bitch. And then the two heater hoses. Alright, so the next step is going to be pulling the slack of the hoses in, and then this is going to be connected over to the firewall. Okay, people, I finally got this in. Camera shut off on me while I was doing it. Let me tell you, this is definitely a two-person job. I did it myself, but it would have been much easier with someone on the other side of the firewall to get the bolts in as I was lifting it up. But anyway, from the firewall, there's two bolts. You can see one coming through up here and one on the top. And then up in here, there's two screws that go in that you drill holes for. So anyway, now I am going to run the hoses for the duct work, and then we'll get back and probably start doing the hookups on the electric side. All right, so let's do that. Okay, I got all the ductwork on, and this is 3 hours later. I didn't tape all of it because that was ridiculous. Absolutely, positively should have done this before I put the dash in, and then connected, and then put everything in. That was a bitch, and I already don't have everything hooked up, so I don't even know how you would do this in a car that you hadn't taken the whole dash out of. This is, wow, just wow. So that brings us partway through the install of the Vintage Air system here. That was kind of a pain in the butt, and I ended up throwing my back out, so I'm going to be out of commission for a while after that. But let me just show you kind of what we got going on in here. So we got the system installed. We still got to wire it up. We did put the dash controls in, and you saw we did all the ducting. So what's left is wiring the inside and then dealing with everything in the engine bay once we get the radiator and everything in. So, thank you for watching. I don't know when we'll have more stuff on, because like I said, gotta wait for my back to heal up a little bit before we do anything too serious. Anyway, have a good one.